Welcome to my channel. My name is Deekshita and I am from Uttarakhand. I make videos on fashion, beauty and lifestyle. If you like what you see, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. So in today's video, I'll show you some easy outfits that you can spot on everyday basis. I hope you like this video. If you like it, then give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And without wasting more of your time, let's just get into the video. So the first outfit is mainly for those colleges where your dress code allows you to wear dresses. Now this dress is perfect for a college because it's below your knees, so you will be comfortable in it all day long. Also the flowy silhouette of the dress makes it perfect for this hot and humid weather that we are having right now. I wore these black and white flats. Now ये लुक बहुत ज़्यादा मोनोटनस चल रहा था, तो मैंने बेल्ट और इयररिंग्स ऐड की इन मैचिंग रेड कलर to throw in some pop of colors to the outfit, and I completed this look. Let's move on to the second outfit. The color palette of this outfit is so cute. I mean the pink and purple detailing, I loved it. Now I took these pink striped pants and paired it with a purple fitted top. If you have a very strict dress code in your college, you can easily carry a look like this. Complete the look with a watch and some hoops maybe, and you'll be good to go. Also here I am wearing heels, but you can easily carry this look with sneakers for a daytime look, or if you have some event going on in your college, then you can wear it with these heels. Now this third look is maybe not something that everyone can wear to their college every day, but I've just included it because I really liked it, and I think that if you have any college fest or maybe freshers coming soon, that you can definitely carry this look. I think this will be perfect for a freshers party outfit. Now you can wear this dress in two ways. You can either wear it as a kurta or as a dress. I've actually styled it before as a kurta in one of my previous videos. I'll link it in the description. It's also about college outfits only, so if you're interested, you can watch it also. Since I wanted this look to be appropriate for a nice event or your fest or freshers party, hence I added accessories like sunglasses and made it more fancy. I know a lot of people have to wear or like to wear kurtas to their colleges, so this is a Indian wear look with a twist. Instead of wearing a simple kurta and pajama or kurta and leggings, what you can do is you can take a nice very different dupatta and wear it like I have wore it in this video. You can easily swap out this very dhinchak dupatta for a more sober one if you are into that, or if you want to wear something very bright like this, that you can wear this also. I wore the dupatta and then I added a belt over it, and this westernized this look a little, and with the mules it looks perfect mixture or balance of Indian and Western outfit. There are days when we just want to throw on a t-shirt and jeans and be done with it, and this last look is for those days. Here I just took these ribbed denims, and if your college does not allow ribbed ones, then you can easily swap these out for plain good old simple denims. I wore this Harry Potter t-shirt from Soul Store, and the cutout on the neck has been DIY'd by me only. Lastly, because t-shirt में जो भी writing है वो yellow से है, so I wore these yellow mules once again to complete the look too. If you liked it, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel Please, I want to reach 500 subscribers super soon. So subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.